wherein Yashwant Varma moves Supreme Court against the in-house inquiry report. Justice Varma files writ petition in the Supreme Court challenging the three-judge in-house inquiry report against him. Justice Varma seeks to quash the findings of the in-house inquiry panel against him. Justice Varma says, and we have in fact picked this up as well, committee's proceedings as having infringed his rights both as an individual and as a constitutional functionary. Plea seeks to set aside the report by a three-judge inquiry panel, which found strong inferential evidence against him. Now, Justice Varma also asks to quash the impeachment recommendation by the Chief Justice of India, Sanjiv Khanna. The recommendation to initiate impeachment against him was based on the committee's findings. There was a report, detailed report that had been submitted in the Cash Hall case against Justice Varma itself. Justice Varma alleges breach of principles of natural justice, says the inquiry panel did not give him a fair hearing. Justice Varma also says that the committee concluded the proceedings without investigating key facts. Justice Varma says, and I quote, inquiring committee erroneously shifted the burden of proof on him, requiring him to disprove a fact that the committee presumed prima facie to be true. This is the big information, big breaking that we're bringing to you at this point. And right now we have Nalini Sharma joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Nalini, very good morning to you. Big breaking that's coming in at this point that we're picking up in the Cash for Hall case that we had been in fact tracking for the longest time. Justice Varma now comes out to allege that he was not given a fair hearing. Based on all that's developed so far, how are we looking at this and what are we picking up?
Well, sure, this is Justice Varma's defense right from the very beginning. Since the time that the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court had reached out to him, he had categorically denied having any involvement with that alleged cash that was found in this outhouse. Now, the latest development is that he has now filed a writ petition in the Supreme Court. He said that the findings of the inquiry committee have adversely impacted his rights, not only as a citizen of India, but also as a constitutional functionary, because he still is a sitting High Court judge of the Allahabad High Court. He also says that the inquiry report, the three-judge inquiry panel that was set up by the then Chief Justice of India, Justice Sanjiv Khanna, that report should be set aside because it had worked on a prejudged objective and it had swiftly concluded the proceedings without giving him a fair chance of the hearing. He's also said that he was not given a chance to cross-examine the other witnesses who had appeared before the committee, which is why it's a violation of principles of natural justice, because it was not a fair inquiry.